Now we are going to be watch how to installation of wall clock. Namaste, it's PNR. Welcome back to another official video from PNR World. First, fit the screw that comes in the packing to the wall. Acrylic numbers models are two types. Choose one which is you like. Set the fixed scale on center of point on clock. Markings should be made with pencil according to the numbers and the two at the distance of 40, 50 centimeters and 60 of our choice. Remove the acrylic numbers from given board and set as serial wise. Now remove the sticker backside of number and stick it properly. Thus, paste all the numbers on the previous marking as you see now. Now put the battery in the clock and keep it for 12 hours. Now put the hour hand, then minutes hand, then the seconds hand. Set the correct time in the clock to see if the clock is working or not. Now your clock is set.